Hello, friends. It is your friend, CryptoFace. And I must say that today it was nice to get a little bit of rest. We were able to trade a tiny bit today's market. Volatility was rather low. We kind of just stayed in this little 9,500 channel and dipped down to 9,400, twice maybe. We took what the market gave us. For those of you that are in the whale crew, where you see the majority of my trades and entries and exits. In the previous video, you saw we lost 12,000, then made 12,000. Since then, let's take a look-see here. Since then, we have had 2 killer trades, shorts. Oh, here we go. We had one nailing for me personally, 2.13 Bitcoin, about a little 20K. And then we had a little half of Bitcoin. So slap on 26K on top of our previous amount. Yippee-ki-yay to everyone in the profit logs today and yesterday. There is no better group than us. There is not. We got some new Testimonials. I always love seeing them. It is looking more and more inevitable that we are just in a big Swedish shuffle, and we will see a drop, potentially. The most bearish scenario, in my opinion, is we wick down off the somewhere in the 6Ks. My most bullish scenario is that we drop somewhere in the 7Ks before we dance and maybe come up once more. Do you see? Do you see? What do you people want from me? What do you want from me? Every day it's gonna go up, it's gonna go down on this time frame. Your questions, your messages. How much is Market Cipher? What is the whale crew? Do you not read the description? Am I not merciful? Are you not entertained? What do you want me to do? To control the market myself? Do you want me to pump and dump the market myself? I can't. I can't. You expect too much. You expect too much of me. I'm just a man. I'm just a man out here on my own with my team. I am not one of the Chinese board members. Although I could be, I should be. Perhaps I was in another life. But we are inching closer and closer. Closer and closer. And we have seen these Swedish shuffles play out exactly this way. Where most of the time, most of the Swedish shuffles, let's get rid of this, would break out, dance around, and then they come all the way down in one foul swoop. But there has been 2 or 3, and forgive me for not searching, sifting through this shit to try to find the exact ones for you. But the other ones, they dance. They dance and then they dump. And it's going to dump. There might be maybe one last hurrah, you know, maybe a lower high, but this is going straight. This is going down. We're going down, baby. We're going down. And yeah, I know the common number's 8,500. That's the number everyone's thinking, and I'll make you a $10,000 bet that is not the answer. That the answer is just something different. $7,500. 75 I really feel is that's my number. That's the number where I think, according, not just I think just because, but from all of the data, everything that I know, on everything I know. That's where I believe we are headed. If you're not with us, it's not that you are against us. You're just not with us. And for those, to my people, I bow to thee that bend their knee to me. And that is why you people see the results that we achieve. I want to make a side note here. I have the most amazing community, because they finally come somewhere. They finally get something. They're finally winning. They aren't throwing their money at some Asian hidden Indian ripoff white guy, whatever. It doesn't matter what the race. They're getting so much value and they are winning. So when, for example, there was another YouTuber, a friendly YouTuber, watched him for a couple minutes today. He's funny. He's authentic. Crown, right? That's the Crypto Crown. That is his name. And he said his spidey senses were tingling because he's been getting flooded with people that he's never seen before, people he's never talked to before, asking him about Market Cipher and to do a collab with me. Well, here's the thing. I have never once told anyone to go to Crown's channel to talk about me or ask him for me to get on there. But the reason why people are doing it is because they are so excited. And it's not the first time someone's maybe kind of, I'm not saying he's accusing me of like botting or sending people to his channel, but he was kind of hinting towards it. But I promise you, friend, that is not the case. I did send him an email. I was like, yo, I didn't send anyone to your channel. But if you do want to try Market Cipher, I'll hook you up. Trust me, I'm not scared of anyone trying Market Cipher. There's nothing to expose. Market Cipher is the truth, baby. It is the truth. And the proof is in the pudding. There's over 1,000 people There's over 1,000 cipher wizards that are out there ciphering, deciphering Bitcoin, shitcoins, stocks, options, cattle futures, you name it. So, there are no robots of mine. There was no orders. I have ordered no one to go to anyone and ask for anything. These people are spreading their joy because they understand what it's like to lose. And most people are losers. Especially when it comes to this shit. Bitcoin, trading, you name it. You take 10 people, isn't that what they say? 90%? 90% are losers? Well, guess what? 90% of people are losers in life. At everything. 90% of construction workers are shitty construction workers. 90% of salesmen are shit salesmen. But once in a while, there is a tool that advances mankind and whatever it is they're trying to do, whether it be the wheel, whether it be the light bulb. You take 100 people, 90 of them would not be able to start a fire. But that was changed when Thomas Edison or whoever, Billy Mays, created the light bulb. You take 100 people, 90% wouldn't know how to make peanut butter. But peanut butter was made, and anyone can get the jiffy. Now beware of those who imitate, for things aren't always as they seem. But baby, this goes to anyone. Anyone. Market Cipher has advanced the human race in trading. And no, not 100 out of 100 people that have Market Cipher aren't going to get it instantly, but the majority of them do. And if you want proof, it's out there. Just ask. If Market Cipher didn't work, you would have heard about it by now. Look, there are 1,104 cipher wizards. So next time that you're on YouTube and you see people chatting in the description or comments or live chat, next time you're at the grocery store, keep those spidey senses, because the guy next to you might just be kicking your ass in the market because he has the light bulb. He has the jiffy. Now, I'll see it's 7,500. And I don't know when it's going to happen. It could happen now. Could happen in a week. Hell, I'm not perfect. It might never happen. But I'll tell you one thing. Sid, come on. I'll tell you one thing. Market Cipher will tell you. It'll give you the signs before it happens. And some signs are appearing. Now, good day, good night, And I'm not sending anyone to anywhere. But all are welcome. All are welcome on the merry-go-round.